From our vibrant traditional clothing adorned with intricate patterns to our rhythmic dances that tell stories of our ancestors, the Igbo people are all about celebrating our rich heritage. Our art and craftsmanship showcase a deep connection to our roots, with each piece telling a unique tale. The Igbo people are known as resilient traders and are the pioneers of the Igbo apprenticeship system that has groomed numerous billionaires within our geolocation. This is a testament to our resilient and entrepreneurial nature. Igbo women are not spared. Their achievements as masters of industries and art can be owed to their predecessors who were master beauticians through the use of uli and have shown that they are capable of being entrepreneurial by how they trade and manage the market. Igbo history and development may be marked and stagnated with slavery, genocide, or westernization. The Igbo people do not allow these sad events to halt them. They perpetuate